How long have they been around and how were they invented?
Well, vaccines have been around since the 10th century. You know, there's history back from then of people inoculating with agents in the hope of curing disease. When Jenner in Britain and Louis Pasteur in the US, in France, I'm sorry, did more research, they found ways to make it safer. Because the truth is, inoculation and vaccinations are different.
Okay, stop. I'm going to stop you there.
Right.
Tell us then the difference between inoculations and vaccinations.
Well, inoculation, back in the day, they used to take pus or agents from the scab and inject that into a patient in the hopes of preparing the body to fight the infection. Nowadays, we have purified antigen that's safer. It's not, doesn't cause as much reaction and doesn't cause disease. Back in the day, the inoculations would make you sick, and then some people would even die from the inoculation. But you know, it's done more good in the sense that we learned about how to prepare these agents so they don't kill you or cause too much harm.
So how then do the vaccinations work in preparing the system against infection and against disease?
Right. And that's a good question. When we're born, our immune system is very immature and does not know how to handle a lot of diseases and conditions. So everything to the body is an allergen. Vaccines, you know, food, viruses, bacteria. So the only way of our body fighting it is creating a memory of these conditions. So when you're born, your body is very naive to a lot of these agents. So we learn by suffering these conditions, but we can't do that with everything. You know, some of these diseases are deadly, as we all know, like tetanus and polio and pertussis and all these conditions are preventable by giving the vaccine and preparing the immune system.